Are you looking for a trailer to haul your mower, your ATV, your motorcycle, but you don't want to drain your savings? How about hauling appliances or furniture or construction debris? Just as the name suggests, utility trailers can be used for a wide variety of hauling applications. Some of the most popular uses include landscaping and lawn care, construction and contracting, moving furniture and appliances, and the list goes on and on and on. NC Trailers makes financing your utility and landscaping trailers easy, affordable, and stress free. So we have flexible financing options. You can choose from secured loans, rent to own, layaway. We have no credit check options, so we can get you approved no matter what your credit history. And then, of course, you can bundle and save. You keep your cash flow strong while you get the equipment that you need to grow your business. So a quick and easy financing program allows you to roll your registration, your landscaping accessories, your tie downs, your straps, all into one low monthly payment. You simply apply, sign, and drive, and we can do it all in the same day. So, since 1996, NC Trailers has sold and serviced over 10,000 trailers. We're the number one rated trailer dealer in the Carolinas with over 1,400 five-star reviews. With over 400 trailers in stock today, our family owned business specializes in getting the best financing options for contractors, landscapers, and adventure seekers. If you want more details, you can check out our ultimate guide to utility and landscape trailer financing. Or if you're ready to go ahead and get started, give us a call, or you can fill out our Get Financing form today, and we'll get you rolling with the perfect trailer.